Hello, welcome to my Sunday Frump. Do you like my new microphone? Huh? You guys like it? This is the new setup. I hope you guys like it. I hope it sounds good to you. If it does, if you like it, let me know. Congratulate me. We're doing good here. We're upgrading. We're, more stuff to come. The more of you that are seen here, the more little footprints you leave. Henty, the better this channel will be. And look at this. Look at this spread, for example. You guys really have been doing a good job at interacting and just sharing and clicking that subscribe button. So if you haven't already, get on it. Subscribe. Look at this spread. I have I made spam ceviche, and I made those crackers. I forgot what they called them. Firecrackers? I think that's what they called them. Look at those. They're just baked in the oven. I put hot sauce on them. My mouth is watering. I made ginger lemonade. Ew. And I made, guess what I made? Chocolate rice pudding. Look at that. I put a Maria's cookie and some of those canela crisps on the top, just for decoration. See? Looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. I made that all this morning. And I also, last but not least, I also don't want to forget to thank you guys. Thank you guys for 41 subscribers. That's right. That's how fast we're moving here. We are growing. Look at this cake. Look at this cake. My Sunday from. Thank you guys. TNX, because you guys have been clicking that button. And I want to welcome you. Thank you for joining. This is crazy. This is crazy. This can't be my real life, but it is. And we are celebrating today this milestone because it's like a mega milestone, and I can't believe I got here. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Like, it's insane. So let's start by trying these foods. Everybody says the best accompaniment to spam is crackers. I think I got the recipe off TikTok. This is so good. I use both herbs and spices. It's delicious. It kind of tastes like flatbread. So here's those little boats that I showed you guys I had in a haul. And the spam ceviche. This is so good. It was just a can of vegetables, a can of spam, and then you put like dressing on it. You can put like any vegetables you want. I love carrots. Carrots and potatoes. I like jalapenos, like peppers. I think they're really good in ceviche. Mmm. I'm gonna try the rice pudding, cause like I use like a traditional recipe. Let's try it. Mmm. Yes. It's so good. Like, I don't know, it tastes almost store bought. The trick is to put it in the fridge and cover it with some cookies for some extra sweetness. Mm. I guarantee you, everybody will love it. Sometimes it's like the extra touch. Go a little bit of extra step, and your mealtime will be that much more pleasant. You know? See how soft that cookie is now? I don't think it takes more than an hour to set. This is so good. Well, we got here so far. Time to enjoy it. Mm. I want a good piece. The filling is chocolate. It's delicious. It's just a chocolate chip panettone with cheesecake icing. Um, cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake icing. I liked it last time, but I thought about it from online tips. So I used cheesecake. Mm. This was so good. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate all your following. Ew. And I hope more of you guys come and join the community. Don't be shy. I'm here. Let's interact. And yeah, celebrate 41 subscribers. Thank you all, 41 of you. Thank you so very much. And I'll see you guys on another video soon. My son different. Bye bye.